Hey, how you doing?
So we've been just walking around Central Park, Times Square, living our best life, and
taking naps on rocks.
And we just found a place. Well, Tyler found a crash pad. Vandala didn't have a place to live, and I have family in Jersey, but I figured that was just too far. So now we're all gonna be roommates. I'm super excited.
So excited about it.
My girl.
It was such a last minute decision for me, but I was like, you know what, whatever. It was super cheap, and let's just see how this goes. So stay tuned to see our crash pad.
Our train's here.
That's the Empire State Building. So we're here at the World Trade Center. We're trying to take a subway to Target and then back to our hotel. I'm exhausted.
We already missed the first one.
Yeah, we had
the second one.
Because the girls were taking so long in the bathroom.
And it was far.
Rendezvousing in there.
But yeah, we're tired, we're hungry. We're going to Target to get stuff for a crash pad. We're gonna check it out tomorrow. And how are you liking New York so far? It's our first time here.
It's so fun. Do it.
We walked like 20 miles today.
And I was trying to wear booties. Like, don't do that.
Yeah, no, don't wear heels or booties in the city. My nose is so red now. So update, we literally have been on the subway for like 3 hours, 2 hours.
Over it.
We're starving, so when we finally got off the subway, we found a pizza place, had some food, and now we're taking an Uber back to the hotel because we're done. We're done for the
New York
day.
is canceled indefinitely for tonight.
Bring your cars. Bring your cars.
We could not figure out the subway system, but we're gonna try it again tomorrow. We will see. We will see.
We'll see where
Who's
we
gonna
end
try
up.
it again tomorrow? Who? Not I. Y'all have fun on the
I
subway.
just cannot wait to get to the hotel room, take a shower, and just relax. So
And go to bed.
yes, see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so I wanted to finish up the rest of this vlog. Sorry if it's all over the place. I'm filming like a few days after the last little clip that you saw. I'm currently on my first layover. If you guys want to know where I am, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. I'm I'm super excited of where I am, even though it's not the coolest place, but I'm happy. So it's kind of funny because a lot of people from my class, we're on a availability month. And so pretty much that means like we've been plotting our trips for this month, and a lot of people have been plotting trips together. But it's funny because like all these flights are about to have new hires, so I just think that's really funny. But today I flew with my friend Vandy, and it was pretty nice. I'll talk more about it on my next video. But yeah, I ended up getting a crash pad last minute, like I said, and I'll be doing a crash pad tour. But yeah, I've been walking a lot in New York. I obviously don't have my car, and we're walking distance from the airport, but I've been having really early sign-in times, so I've been taking Ubers, and they add up. But yeah, the Ubers, like, they're gonna start adding up, so hopefully I won't have super early check-in times, so then I can just walk to the airport. But yeah, also, so I had someone DM me on Instagram, and they wrote like this really long paragraph, and I was in the midst of responding, but then all of a sudden something happened to my phone and I had to exit out, and when I went to go back it like disappeared. So if you messaged me on Instagram, hit me up again because I couldn't respond, and it was a really sweet message, so I wanted to make sure I responded. But yeah, I think that's all I have to say for today. Stay tuned for my next vlog. I have a lot of videos that I plan on uploading. I want to do a crash pad tour. I want to do a like tips for training type of video, like a note-taking types of tips video. And in my crash pad there's 10 people from my class living there, so I'm also want to do like a video with them, and also my first layover, my first trip. So make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment, and I will see you guys soon.